Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to the Halal Dollars training and coaching program. And in this video, we're going to be telling you all you need to know. So this is basically an introductory class where we tell you everything you need to know. Now, first and foremost, I must congratulate every one of you that made the effort to want to join us, and all of you that believed in us that we could actually deliver, and inshallah we're going to deliver to you. And we would like you to know that we'll do our very best to guide you. However, your success lies in your hands. We need you to go all into this. We are giving our effort for both the free and premium members. We need you to go all in. Just give us 2 weeks of your time, and inshallah you will not remain the same. Now, for the video schedule, we are going to be releasing 2 videos daily, one in the morning and one in the evening. So we expect every one of us to implement what has been sent in the videos. So we are going to be tracking your success from our end, and we're going to be monitoring you. For those that are in the premium group, we are going to be monitoring them. However, if you are not in the premium group, we won't be able to monitor you because we actually need money to be able to run our logistics for that. But all well and good. If you can monitor yourself, if you are disciplined, then you are good to go. So for the planning basically has to do with the fact that we are going to be giving you a sheet where you are going to be ticking the daily activities you are meant to be doing. So this plan is going to be executed by you. So maybe daily you are meant to watch 2 videos. So you tick it once you've watched the video. If you are supposed to maybe set up a new Facebook account, when you are done setting it up, tick it. So all the activities we are going to be putting you through, we expect you to be ticking them in that plan. So the plan sheet is actually for the premium members. For those who have free, who are just joining for free, we are still going to guide you in the videos on what you are supposed to do. So you will be the one doing it on your own. But for those that are the premium members, would actually be monitoring their success from our end. So the next one is support. So we have 3 ways whereby we provide support. The first is via YouTube. So your comments in YouTube, we are going to be going through them and we'll be responding to whatever questions you have via YouTube. And secondly, we also provide support via WhatsApp. So you can message us privately and we would respond to you. And lastly, it's going to be via the premium group. The premium group, we have 1 hour every day between 5:30 to 6:30 where we have a Q&A session. So anyone who has any problem regarding what he has been doing can always just join us then and would answer the questions. And once in a while, we would set up live Q&A events where all members, whether you are a free member or you are a premium member, you will be able to join us. And if you have 1 or 2 questions or you have any suggestions you'd like to make, you can always get it to us. And the last one. This last one is probably the most important of it all, and it's your mindset. If we teach you everything we know today, with which we've made millions of naira with, and you do not have the right mindset, I promise you, you're not going to get anywhere. So the knowledge we are going to give you is very important. However, there's something more important. It is your mindset. It's your determination to leave your level that you are now and go to another level. What is the reason that is driving you? Why do you want to live a better life? Is it because you are not able to meet your bills, foot your bills as a father? Let that be your drive. Is it that you want a better life? Is it that you are tired of suffering? That question you need to ask yourself. And when you ask yourself, you are going to convert that to your energy. That energy will be what will be driving you every single day. Those days that you might feel tired and lazy to get up, you remind yourself, I'm really still broke. I need to move. So you keep on moving. Every day you have your tasks to implement. make sure that you implement it before you sleep. If you've not implemented it, go back and make sure you implement it. Let me tell you, you are going to find a lot of obstacles. You are going to find a lot of things that will come in your way. That is the way it is. That is life. But your determination to always surge ahead is what is going to keep you going. It's just 2 weeks. And these 2 weeks would be a life transformation for you. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood and said, and makes it from those things that would benefit us in this life and the hereafter. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.